Have you ever wondered what happens during the act of copulation, the scientific term for sexual intercourse? This intriguing term, copulation, has a fascinating etymology. It originates from the Latin word copulation, which implies a binding together. Synonyms for this term include couple and mate, further emphasizing its core essence of unity and connection. Now let's dive into its scientific contexts. In the realm of biology, copulation is a fundamental act for the propagation of all sexually reproducing species. It's not just about humans, but extends to the animal kingdom as well. From the sparrows chirping on your windowsill to the majestic lions in the wild, copulation is a universal phenomenon that ensures the survival of species. Zoologists, for example, often use controlled copulation to help endangered species, like pandas, to reproduce and increase their numbers. It's a fascinating mix of science, nature, and life itself. As we delve deeper, we will unravel the fascinating biology behind this act of reproduction. Imagine orchestrating a symphony, but instead of instruments, you have hormones. Yes, you heard that right, hormones. These tiny yet potent chemical messengers have a crucial role to play in the act of copulation. Let's dive deeper into this hormonal symphony. Picture your body as an orchestra, with each hormone being a different instrument, each with its unique sound and role. The music starts with the conductor's cue, just as arousal begins with a hormonal trigger. Hormones such as testosterone and estrogen rise to the occasion, setting the stage for the performance. Testosterone, often associated with males, is like the bold brass section driving the rhythm of desire. But it's not exclusive to men. Women also produce testosterone, which contributes to their sexual desire as well. This hormone stirs up the libido, increasing the anticipation and excitement, similar to the crescendo in a musical piece. Next up, we have estrogen, the hormone most commonly associated with females. Think of estrogen as the elegant string section, creating a melodious harmony. In women, it regulates the menstrual cycle and prepares the body for potential pregnancy. But like testosterone, estrogen isn't gender exclusive. It's present in men too, playing a subtle yet vital role in their sexual function. And finally, we have the star performer, oxytocin, also known as the love hormone. Picture oxytocin as the captivating soloist that steals the show. Released during physical touch and intimacy, oxytocin deepens the bond between partners, adding emotional depth to the act of copulation. Throughout the act, these hormones ebb and flow, rising and falling in response to various stimuli, much like the changing dynamics in a symphony. They each play their part in the grand composition, contributing to the overall experience. Just like a perfectly composed symphony, these hormones work together to facilitate copulation. Each hormone, with its unique role, contributes to the intricate dance of copulation, creating a performance that's as complex and beautiful as a symphony. Remember, without the harmonious play of these hormones, the act of copulation would be like a symphony without its music. Now, let's explore the microscopic dance that happens during copulation. Imagine a grand microscopic race where millions of contestants, each with a single-minded determination, vie for the ultimate prize. This is the journey of the sperm during copulation. Each male ejaculation can contain up to several 100 million sperm, all eager and ready for the marathon of their lives. Their sole mission? To reach and fertilize one single egg. It's a race against time, filled with obstacles and challenges. The sperm must navigate through the hostile environment of the female reproductive tract, swimming against the current and fighting off the immune system's defenses. Despite the overwhelming odds, a few determined sperm will reach the fallopian tubes, where the egg awaits. Now, picture a beautiful waltz, where two partners meet and merge into one. This is the moment of fertilization. As the victorious sperm makes contact with the egg, a series of remarkable changes occur. The surface of the egg transforms, creating a barrier to prevent other sperm from entering. The genetic material within the sperm and egg combine, creating a unique blueprint for a new individual. This newly formed cell, known as a zygote, then begins its own journey. It divides and multiplies, transforming from a single cell into a cluster of cells, then into a ball of cells. Each division, each multiplication is a step towards creating a new life. Every organ, every tissue, every cell in the body can trace its origins back to this initial microscopic dance. The heart that beats, the lungs that breathe, the brain that thinks, all began from this single, extraordinary moment of copulation. This intricate dance of cells, this grand symphony of life, is not just a biological process. It is a testament to the power of life, the resilience of nature, and the incredible journey that every living being embarks upon right from the moment of conception. This intricate dance of cells is what leads to the creation of a new life. The act of copulation isn't unique to humans. In fact, it's a common thread that ties us to the entire animal kingdom. Across the vast expanse of the animal kingdom, the dance of copulation paints a fascinating canvas of life. Each species has its unique rituals, strategies, and mechanisms, yet they all share the common goal of ensuring the survival of their kind. Take, for example, the dazzling world of birds. Many bird species, like the flamboyant peacock, use elaborate displays of beauty and strength to attract a mate. The peacock fans out its iridescent tail, creating a hypnotic spectacle, essentially advertising its genetic quality to the peahens. Once a mate is charmed, copulation occurs, resulting in the passing of the peacock's genes to the next generation. In contrast, the world of insects provides a starkly different perspective. The praying mantis, notorious for its post-copulation cannibalism, brings a darker edge to the mating game. The female often devours the male after copulation, a grim yet practical strategy that provides her with the necessary nutrients to lay and sustain her eggs. Then we have the marine world, with creatures like the seahorse flipping the traditional roles of reproduction. In this case, it's the males who get pregnant. Females deposit their eggs into the male's brood pouch. The male then fertilizes the eggs and carries them until they hatch. A unique twist on the traditional narrative of copulation and parenthood. And let's not forget the mammals, our closest relatives in the animal kingdom. Dolphins, for instance, are known for their complex social structures and mating rituals. The males often work in pairs or trios to court a female, using synchronized movements and vocalizations. Post-copulation, the female will carry the offspring, a process that can last from 9 to 17 months, depending on the species. From the simplest of organisms to the most complex, copulation is a universal language spoken in the name of survival. Each species, with its unique strategies and rituals, adds a different verse to this symphony of life, painting a vivid picture of the endless diversity and ingenuity of nature. From the simplest of organisms to the most complex, copulation is a universal language spoken in the name of survival. But copulation isn't just about reproduction, it also plays a significant role in the social and emotional aspects of life. Now let's delve deeper into this fascinating topic. In the intricate tapestry of life, copulation serves as a vital thread, weaving together various elements that contribute to the richness and diversity of existence. This act, often viewed through a purely biological lens, holds profound implications for relationships and social behavior. For instance, in many species, copulation is not merely a means to reproduce. It's a method of bonding, a way to strengthen ties and ensure the survival of the group. In dolphins, it's been observed that copulation occurs year-round, not just during mating seasons. This behavior demonstrates the social function it serves, promoting group cohesion and enhancing social bonds. In bonobos, a species of ape closely related to U.S. humans, copulation is used as a tool for conflict resolution. It's a peacekeeping method, a way to diffuse tension and maintain harmony within the group. But the influence of copulation extends beyond social dynamics. It also plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of evolution, contributing to genetic diversity. When individuals from different genetic backgrounds mate, they introduce new genetic variations into the population. This diversity is the raw material for evolution. It allows species to adapt to changing environments, to survive and to thrive. In humans, copulation has an added layer of complexity. It's not just about biological function or social behavior. It's tied deeply to our emotions, our sense of self, and our relationships. It's a way to express love, to seek comfort, or to explore the intimacy. So, the act of copulation, which may seem straightforward at first glance, is in fact a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. It's a testament to the intricate and interconnected nature of life, where biology, society, and emotions intertwine. Thus, copulation, while a biological process, transcends into the realms of social, emotional, and evolutionary significance. So, what have we learned from exploring the science of copulation? We've unraveled the intricate symphony of hormones that set the stage for this primal dance. The estrogen and testosterone, the luteinizing and follicle-stimulating hormones, all playing their part in the grand biological orchestra. We've dived into the microscopic world of cells, witnessing the miraculous journey of the sperm meeting the egg, leading to the creation of life. We've journeyed across the animal kingdom, observing how copulation varies among species, from the monogamous swans to the promiscuous bonobos, each with their unique mating rituals and strategies for survival. We've also reflected on the broader implications of copulation, from its role in maintaining biodiversity to its potential in aiding the conservation of endangered species. The act of copulation, while seemingly straightforward, is a complex and fascinating process that plays a key role in the continuity of life.